sun was wielding fire up, robins building nests. I laid inside the sleeping arms of the one that I loved best. The nights were old and summer's young, and the fiddlers softly played. We dived the golden river where the silver grasses sway. And I prayed, Lord, I pray, don't take your love away. You may lay your head forever and stay, my love, is stay. And I prayed, Lord, I pray, don't take your love away. You may lay your head forever and stay, my love, and stay. I hear our life must change just like the faces of the moon. I hear you must be leaving on a train one afternoon. Bid me take life easy, offered me half your heart to stay. But I was so young and foolish, I threw it all away. And that train, oh that train, it took my love away. The train, it rolled forever away, my lover's way. And that train, oh that train, it took my love away. The train, it rolled forever away, my lover's way. I see your arms, your naked trees, but I can't tell life from dreams. I can't see my reflection in the frozen river stream. I know just how the song may end, but I'll hum it all again. I hear those robins singing, and my tears they fall like rain. And the rain, oh the rain, it pours through night and day. The rain, it pours forever. The rain, my love, the rain. And the rain, oh the rain, it pours through night and day. The rain, it pours forever. The rain,